Hi, I am Mayam and this is my Dhoni Waterfalls blog. So, I have finally reached to the entry point of Dhoni Waterfalls. I prefer to walk from the railway station. I started 6 in the morning and it took me around 2 hours to reach here. Right now, it's 8:12. I am sitting in a bench here as the entry timing is from 9 am. I will take some rest for 5 minutes and then start shooting video. So, I have finished shooting videos and there is 10 minutes remaining to 9 am. It's 9:15 now and there has been some delays. It is told to me that first a staff member is going to the spot and after it reaches the spot then only I am allowed to start my hike.
So it's time, and now I have started my hike towards the Dhoni Waterfall from the entrance. It's 10 in the morning now. Been waiting for my chance to get in for more than 1.5 hours, but after long hours it's finally time to get inside and see the beauty of nature. I'm going single. It's a trail towards the waterfall, and you can directly go without any help of the local people. It's a 4-kilometer hike towards the waterfall from the starting point of the Dhoni Waterfall gate. Let's see how the trail exerts of me as a new hiker. The entry fees to visit Dhoni Waterfall is rupees 100, which includes your fees of camera gear, your entry fees, and lest what other stuff they include in the charges. It's really an awesome experience hiking around in the lush green forest. As you can see, it's the first time in my life I'm in visiting such a green forest. Not to mention alone. A must visit place for those adventure seekers who are traveling to Kerala. It's an incline climb to the mountain. Now I am climbing up to the mountain.
There is the way up, but I'm hearing sound of water coming from that side. Let's go and check. It's water.
There is one downfall of visiting Kerala, and that too hiking or trekking in the mountains, that you sweat a lot because of the humidity. But I think the end result would be awesome. It's past half an hour from where I started my trekking, and there is a signboard here. It shows me that I've done till now nothing. As you can see, the signboard says 3 kilometers more towards to the Dhoni Waterfall. Well, frankly speaking, I'm tired and sweating as hell, but I've came here to do this, and I will do it. So I will continue my hike. So that's 3 kilometers, my first milestone towards Dhoni Waterfall. So guys, it's 11 o'clock now, and I've reached the point where the board shows me that waterfall is 750 meters to that side, which means that I have covered around more than 3 kilometers now. It's a milestone for me that I've finished 2 kilometers. I've completed 2 kilometers in less than half an hour.
So here is the signboard which shows waterfall 750 meters more.
Now let's get started. Now I'm going to complete the remaining 750 meters and see what's inside my gift box.
So there is a barrier in my way, a fallen tree, but to continue my journey I have to cross it.
Nothing can stand in front of Mother Nature.
One more fallen tree. It's 11:15 now, and I finally reached my destination. And I'd like to tell you, all those exertions for grueling 4 kilometers for a rookie like me, the end result is worth it. Now I will sit here for some time, take some rest, enjoy the view, and after some time I'll start shooting videos. Now I have finished shooting videos and it's been quite a while. I'm sitting here and now it's time to say goodbye to Dhoni Waterfalls. It's 1:30 now and I have reached the point from where I started my journey to Dhoni Waterfall. I will take some rest now and then continue my further journey. That's all for today's vlog. I am Mayam and I'll meet you in the next video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get notification of my new videos.